Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to mute notifications for add yours prompts on Instagram using your PC. If those constant alerts are getting distracting, this quick setting change will help you take back control. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings without any issues. Once you're inside, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on that to open up more options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize how Instagram works for you. Now, inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section is where you manage all the alerts you receive from Instagram. Next, click on Push Notifications. This is important because Add Yours alerts fall under Push Notifications, so this is where you'll control them. Scroll through the list until you find the Add Yours option. Once you see it, click on it and then select Off. This will stop Instagram from sending you notifications whenever someone starts or interacts with an Add Yours prompt. And that's it. You've successfully muted Add Yours notifications on Instagram using your PC. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference if you want a quieter, less distracting experience. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this to keep your apps working exactly the way you want.